guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Sarafina Beauties, and this is my first makeup tutorial back on this channel. I'm gonna start off with the eyebrows. I'm gonna trim my eyebrows up a little. I'm not gonna be doing nothing too extra. I'm just gonna get rid of some hair with this razor. And this is where I messed up. Guys, look at that. Look at that. Oh my god. Now I use a brown to fill in my brows. Not too much because I do have a lot of hair on my face already. So you don't want to look like a caterpillar. Now that my eyebrows are lined, I got some new products. This is the basis of this video because I got some new stuff I want to try out. I got finally using Fenty foundation. My color is 450, and I have two concealers from Too Faced. I have their super coverage. The first one is, what's this? Chestnut. That's a brighter one, and I have toffee. I'm gonna put chestnut under my brow. So it comes with this like spoolie. I don't even know if y'all can even see, but it comes with that. It comes with an applicator, I should say. Here's my brush. This is so smooth, bro. Okay, now that under my brows are done, I'm gonna pull out the next concealer and I put it on the top of my brows. Wow. I just remembered that I didn't prime my face, y'all. So this is me applying my primer, and it's my Hydro Grip Primer from Milk Cosmetics. The picture is up on the screen if you don't know what that looks like. Yeah, I'm not good at voiceovers, so please don't come for me. Please, I'm a first makeup tutorial back. I'm about to come for me with the bag of extras in the comments. But yeah, so this is me blending out the concealer. Make sure it goes on smoothly. Time for the moment of truth. Fenty Beauty. Once again, I'm using Fenty Beauty foundation in the color 450. I'm excited. Ooh. Ooh. Yippee. It's kind of rectangular and round at the same time. What you call this? Oval? Jesus. How you open this? You twist it? Oh. You pull it up. Now I was told I don't need much, so that should be good. Nice shirt. So now I'm going back in with toffee, and then I'm gonna put a little bit more of chestnut on top. Y'all see that? Y'all see that blend? Y'all see that blend? Alright, so I know I'm always set my concealer with my LA Colors Girl translucent powder, because I'm trying new foundation, new concealer and stuff. I wanted to try out a new setting powder as well. This is Laura Mercier setting powder, and it's in the color Translucent Honey. So this is also a translucent powder, but it's more so a setting powder too. Oh my god, bro. You wanna know what I'm excited about right now? The fact that this is blurring out my pores. This is blurring out my pores, bro. Look at the difference. Woo! Laura Mercier. Where have you been all my life? I contour with. So this is a contour palette from Watch Chrissy Work. She's a Jamaican, so I had to have Jamaican stuff. My mother bought me this, and the colorful palette you guys always see me use, that's also from her brand. No, this is my go-to highlighter. Now I'm gonna set my spray. Now I'm gonna set my face with Urban Decay's All Nighter Setting Spray. So it's like this, has this cover. and this cover. And this looks so good. I have this lip gloss from Wet n Wild I bought at the drugstore. I put that over top of this. I don't even know why I did color lip, but I did. And just like that, my makeup is done. Wow. This makeup look is done, y'all. I don't even know what to do now. I'm gonna take some pictures, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial of me trying out some stuff I've never tried before. And so far, everything blends out good. It's all smooth and crispy, nice and settled. The Fenty Beauty blends in so beautifully. The highlight from, what was this? The Too Faced highlighters. So good. I highly recommend. They blend out so nice. They're so creamy. They're not too thick. And my face feels refreshed with the primer that I used from Fenty. It was, once again, the Fenty Beauty Soft Silk Primer. And I put on the Hydro Grip Milk Primer. So I had those two on my face because my face needs a little bit of hydration, and I also want my makeup to stick. So I use the Fenty for the hydration of my skin because I have dry skin, and I use the milk to grip the makeup. It's gripping, baby. It's gripping. You know, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what kind of looks you guys want to see me do next. I also have some crazy looks coming. You guys remember that challenge I was doing where my friends and family draw my makeup? I still have a couple of them to do, so those looks will be coming up too, but I'll be start filming those in January. So after this video, I won't be posting on this channel until January because I'm gonna be doing Vlogmas. So go ahead, subscribe to my main channel and watch Vlogmas. Also uploaded a vlog on that channel today. Love a makeup look. Check out these pictures I took. See you guys in the next video. I love you, beauties. Bye. Mwah.